Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to select national team kits in FIFA 23 Mobile. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is you'll just have to navigate to the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then click on select kit. Just tap on the pencil icon, and then you'll be able to see here the different outfit that your players could wear. Okay, so if you want to change that, you can just go back to the gear icon and then click on the crest. So here you can just scroll down and choose the crest that you want. So for example, we are going to click on the Canada and then click on select. Now let's go back to our kit to see if there is a change. So as you can see, we have now a new own kit. So if you want to try another, so just go back to the crest and then scroll down, then select the crest that you want to have. So here we are going to select this one, then click on select, and then go back to your kit to see the new outfit of your team. Okay, so just do the same if you want to try more. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.